If you like the Italian grinder sandwich, you will love this salad. It combines all of your favorite grinder sub ingredients minus the hoagie, and it is tossed in a delicious, tangy, creamy salad dressing. Let's make it. Slice or chop iceberg lettuce and add to a mixing bowl. Add sliced or chopped tomatoes, ham, pepperoni, salami, provolone cheese, red onion, and banana peppers. In a small mixing bowl, mix mayonnaise, Parmesan cheese, red wine vinegar, banana pepper juice, oregano, garlic powder, and salt and pepper. Mix it in until it's evenly combined, and you have a delicious salad. For the full recipe with all the measurements and additional cooking tips, please visit aforkstail.com.